In this video, I will show you how to change the SYS password in case we forgot it. Usually we don't remember the SYS password because when we log in directly from SQL Plus in the database server, we don't need to provide the password of the SYS user. However, sometimes when we try to log on to the SYS user remotely, like using some tool like SQL developer like this, we need to provide the SYS password. Unfortunately, I don't remember the SYS password, so I need to change it. To change the SYS password, first of all, we need to log on to the database server. Then use SQL Plus plus a sysdba to connect with the SYS user. As you can see, when we log on directly to the server, we don't need to provide the SYS password. To for sure, we need to query from $database to check the database name. Then we use the command like enter user, the SYS user here, then identify by the new password. The new password here is SYS1234. So I input the 1234, the SYS1234 here. So we success to connect with the new password. We log on with the SYS, so we have powerful user. We can show every object, every user in our database.